escaping. Travel stop, and it's either Dunkin Donuts or Burger King. We're both kind of hungry. You know what I'm leaning towards? Might just get a iced coffee with a lot of heavy cream in it.
Oh, I was thinking you were gonna say like Whopper special or something like that.
Yeah, then we get a double cheeseburger with an extra large fry and a liter of cola.
And the pickles.
Ew, gross. Got myself a iced coffee with some heavy cream. I just did a bagel delete. The guy looked at me weird because I just threw the bagel in the trash. Just eating this. Oh well. We're Big Riggin right now. With our rig.
With our Tim Riggins.
Tim Riggins rig. What do we call it? Riggins?
We call it Tim Riggins.
Tim Riggins. Check it out. Check out Tim Riggins right there. We fit in. These are our people. Sausage is pretty spicy. I like it. It's got a lot of pepper. Got an egg. Got some cheese. Like I said, I got the coffee over here. Jesse runs on Dunkin.
Unique New York. Unique New York.
Next morning,
7 a.m. and we are riding our bicycles to a place, and Melissa just crashed her bike. Kind of. Fell. She says fell. Crashed. Same thing.
Trying to go up a really steep, short, muddy hill, and then I didn't have enough speed.
Why don't you explain to everybody what just happened?
So I thought, hey, let's go like right around downtown Niagara Falls and like check out the city like on our way back. And then it very quickly turned into a crappy industrial area that was not this beautiful waterfront bike path we had been riding on before, and we couldn't find a way to get back over here. So I failed miserably, but you know, that's okay.
Ay, ay, ay. We made it, guys! You! So excited. I have to admit, this was not even part of our plan whatsoever. It's really cool, and to be honest, this is one of those things that I thought I'd probably never do in my life.
Really?
I think RVing made this possible.
It did.
Like, I just don't... I mean, yeah, like I maybe would have made a trip here eventually, but let's be honest, how long? Probably would have never happened.
Look, there's a double rainbow.
Alright, babe, so a vlog or two ago, we were talking about Canada and how they have nothing other than hockey. And you know, they have Grizzlies, we have Grizzlies. I have to give them the slight edge here at Niagara. We have Niagara, they have Niagara, but their Niagara looks better. So, you know, they have hockey and Niagara. That's, you know.
Everybody says it's better from the Canadian side, and I can definitely see why. You would actually get like a full view of the entire falls.
Both sides of the falls, because there's like an island in the middle. You'd want to, I think you'd want to be like right over there, and you would get the full spectrum.
We've got like the side view right here, which is awesome.
And there's a rainbow.
If somebody had his passport,